Hey guys, I'm Matt and I'm here today to show off our resin thickener and its many uses. Our resin thickener is a special grade of filler that once added to an epoxy mix will start to thicken while giving excellent adhesion and durability. The thickener is mixed into our tinted epoxy ranging from 10% up to 80% and beyond. The lower range and amounts creating a thickness similar to that of ketchup, while 80% or more produces epoxy with a thickness similar to that of peanut butter. So today I'll be mixing 300 ml of part A to 100 ml of part B. These are mixed before adding fillers or additives, and this ensures the epoxy is adequately mixed and will cure. Now that our epoxy is mixed, we can start to add our thickener. The first mix we will be making today is at 10 to 20% addition rate. This addition rate is worked out on top of the already mixed epoxy, so we'll add about 50 ml to our mixed epoxy here. This mix is great for laminating and applying boards and fiberglass, as it's still flowable but just not as syrupy as normal resin. Our next mix will be at 30 to 50% addition rate, again worked out after mixing epoxy, so we'll add about 150 ml of resin thickener. With the resin being similar to mayonnaise, it is great for bonding and gluing surfaces, filleting corners and just clinging to vertical surfaces, although it is still possible for the epoxy to sag on these vertical surfaces. Final mix we'll show today is our peanut butter or 70 to 100% addition rate. For this mix, we'll be adding about 350 ml of thickener to the mixed epoxy. As you can see, this mix is quite thick, which makes it optimal for gap filling, fairing and anti-sag formulations. This anti-sag formulations is great for vertical or even upside down surfaces. Due to the thickness of epoxy after about 20% addition rate for a smooth finish, the epoxy will need to be sanded as the thickened epoxy is no longer self-leveling. Thanks guys for watching, I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. We'll be back shortly with another tutorial video soon, so stay tuned and yeah.